In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight popular posts with upvote sorting techniques. We're going to keep this really simple and beginner friendly. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly surface the most popular content in your feed without wasting time scrolling. This is especially useful if you're visiting a busy community or forum and you only want to see what most people are engaging with right now. First, make sure you're logged into your account and you're on the main page or in the community where you want to sort the posts. Take a moment to look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Just below that icon, there is usually a small arrow or a drop-down indicator. This is what we'll be using to change how posts are sorted. Go ahead and click on that small arrow below the profile icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with different sorting options. These options typically include things like new, top, or hot, and sometimes other variations depending on the platform. Each one controls how posts are ordered in your feed. Since we want to highlight popular posts using upvotes, our focus here is on recency and engagement combined. That's exactly what the hot sorting option is designed for. It doesn't just look at how many upvotes a post has, it also takes into account how recently that post has been active. This means you'll see posts that are both highly upvoted and currently relevant. From the drop-down menu, simply select hot. Once you click it, the page will refresh or reorder itself, and you'll notice that the posts in your feed have changed position. You're now looking at content that's been boosted by upvotes and is getting attention right now. This is one of the fastest ways to discover what the community is talking about at the moment. If you're short on time, using the hot sort can help you catch trending discussions, popular questions, and high-quality posts without digging through the pages of content. If at any point you want to switch back to seeing the newest posts first, or the all-time top posts, you can repeat the same process. Click the small arrow below your profile icon and choose a different sorting option from the menu. And that's all there is to it. By using the hot sorting technique, you can quickly highlight the most popular upvoted posts and stay on top of what's trending in your favorite communities.